Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alex Vansky, and together with you is Big Time. Now we're going to proceed with the description and consideration of interesting scientific journals, which are included in Scopus and Web of Science databases. So the next one is Bulgarian Journal of Agricultural Sciences. This is a Bulgarian journal which is included in Scopus and Web of Science, and Web of Science for Emerging Sources Citation Index. And it doesn't acquire any impact factor for the time being in this citation index for this journal. So let's go to the guide. This journal is covering all kinds of environmental sciences as well as agricultural sciences. So the main points here is to references, and let's start with this interesting thing that when several references are cited simultaneously, so they should be ranked by chronological order. It might look like here Petrovich et al. 2011, 2015. So when there is a book and you may cite several editions of the same book, so it may look like this in chronological order. And when the publications are of the same year, they should be systematized in the references in alphabetical order. And the next point is that names of authors and journal titles which are in Cyrillic or any other alphabet different from Latin, they should be transliterated into Latin, and their article titles of the journal should be translated into English. So when the translation of articles or books into English, there should be the indication of the original language. The indication should be in brackets, like here it is mentioned Bulgarian BG, Russian RU, English EN, and some other. And also they may have their own system of transliteration for this kind of work, like transliteration from Cyrillic or other types. And they indicate how it should be done as following, like this. And also the next point, that tables and other schemes or maybe illustrations should be submitted on separate sheets. It is very important to know that all the tables and illustrations or something like that should be only on separate sheets but in the same file. It shouldn't be separate files for these types of content within the article. If it would be different files, so the editors will return the paper to systematize all the content, all the parts of the scientific article in one unified document. So this is the main vital points about this journal. If you need some other consultation in regard to this journal or any other, please turn to our experts. We will be glad to answer all your questions. Wait for other interesting journals in our next upcoming podcasts. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.